Congratulations on completing your surgery successfully. After your hair transplant, our surgical staff team will walk you through post-operative care. They'll train you on how to properly care for your scalp, and you'll go home with a written instruction sheet and a care kit to help your recovery go smoothly. A nurse or staff member will walk you to your vehicle and stay with you until you're safely on your way, ensuring you leave the clinic comfortably and confidently. We also follow up closely after surgery. A nurse or medical staff member will call you the next day to check on your recovery, answer questions, and make sure everything is going well. You're always encouraged to reach out to us after surgery with any questions, concerns, or simply to check in. Some patients like to send photos of their surgical sites to the doctor for a quick review, and we encourage this. It helps you feel confident and reassured that everything is healing properly. Your first official in-person visit after surgery is scheduled at the 11 days mark. After that, there are no required visits until 1 full year post-op. But we are always here if you need guidance, support, or just want to check in on your hair restoration journey. Our goal is to make you feel supported, informed, and confident every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.